Hello and welcome to the Lifestyle Freedom. Thank you so much for being here. This video will walk you through starting and building your profitable blog, step by step. You will need a free Groove account to follow along. Please sign up with the special link below. On the other hand, if you're new to the channel, you might want to consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Are you ready? Let's get started. After you log into Groove, click Applications, then click Groove Blog. Click on the new blog and name it, in this case, Example Blog, and key in a subdomain. Groove will insert placeholder posts into your blog. The left panel has the menu icons which allow you to set up your blog. The first is the Home tab. This loads your My Blogs dashboard, where you can select and open the specific blog you've created. Tip: to get started quickly, a quick workflow is to edit the placeholder posts. Let's use this blog we've just created to see how to configure it. We can use the drop-down arrow to filter your blog posts by category to view the placeholder posts. You may sort by last publication to see older or newer entries. Now, to create a new post, click here, then enter the title of your post. And here's where you'll write your post. So, I'll grab some details and paste them here. To edit the text, highlight the text wherein an editing menu will appear. For instance, you can now add a link using this button, type in your desired domain URL, and press enter. You can further customize the typeface by bolding, italicizing, underlining, or using bullet points. To change the text color, highlight it and click on the symbol to convert it to your desired color. Moreover, this option allows you to change the background color of the text. Next, to add multimedia elements, position the cursor on an empty area by pressing enter. Then clicking the plus icon. To add an image, click here. To upload, click here and choose your desired image. In this example, I'll select this one. Now click Select to add it to the post. Note that you can also highlight the image to open the editing menu options. Now, let's add a video element. Click here, then paste the video link. We will use a YouTube link in this example, then press enter. If you need to add custom HTML or CSS code, you can use this option and paste your code here. For more post settings, click this icon. Here, you can add a featured image for this post which will be displayed like this. Let's add one for this post. Next, type the slug for your post. The post slug is the post URL. If you like, you may put keywords in your post URL, like salestraffic.io/blog/sales-funnel-the-fundamentals, which is the slug, the URL for this article. Click on the publish date, which allows you to schedule the posting of your blog article. Set the day and time and click next. Here you can assign the post category, either selecting an existing entry or creating a new one. Let's create a new one. Next, under Keywords, you can add tags to your posts. Just type the tag and press enter. The excerpt is a summary of your post content. Also, you have these options: add to the carousel, which will display the post here, and this option will show your post on the home page. You may choose to allow or not allow comments on this post. In this example, we will disable comments. If you click Edit Metadata, you can customize how this post's title appears in search engine searches and for SEO purposes. Hence, key in your post title, description, and keywords using these fields. The Edit Open Graph gives you options on how social media displays your links, and you may put your Open Graph title, social media URL descriptions, and a custom image here. Next, adding custom codes allows you to add further post customization. After creating your post, you may save it as a draft or publish it. So, let's publish. Click here to go back to the main dashboard. And here is the post we just wrote. Click on the three dots here to modify, delete, or clone a post. Let's now continue with the other menu entries here. The Publish option will make your blog posts live, then click Visit Blog to check it out. This is the posts icon. All your posts will be displayed here, and you have the option to select based on a filter. You can also access post-specific menu here. Next is the Categories icon. This allows you to organize the posts under your blog. Click here and key in your category's relevant information to add a new one. You can show this category as part of the navigation such as this. Here you have the option to edit or delete the category. And this column indicates how many posts belong to this specific category. Let's move on to themes. This is where you can personalize the layout and adjust the colors of your blog. Click Customize the theme. The right panel will show you two main options, appearance and layout. You may change the header font, body font, font size, link and button colors, and text color by clicking on the color. You can also click the circle icon to enter the hex code. Click on the check to apply it. This image overlay represents the color applied when you hover over the featured image and can adjust the color's transparency. For more advanced customizations, you may also put the CSS code here. Given the number of menus and options available, the best way to learn this fast is to try it out. Now move the cursor back to top, click Layout. This lets you modify the home, post, and category pages. You may turn the sidebar or opt-in forms on or off the main page. Here you'll select the page to customize and will have the option to show the sidebar, categories, opt-in form, show dates, and the number of posts displayed on the home page. The post style allows you to format how your posts are displayed, such as with a list, grid, or masonry. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save. Let's move on to navigation. You'll have the Links and Categories tabs here. This menu allows you to configure the top navigation, call to action button, and footer navigation. To edit, key in the link and click Update. To add a new item, click here, select top or footer navigation, type in the details, then click Add. You may also link to a Groove Pages funnel. See how to utilize Groove Pages in this video series. The link is available in the description below. Also, click on the three dots to edit or delete the menu entry. To reposition the navigation links, click on the 9 dots, holding them and drag them up or down. Now this call to action button allows you to add a link such as to a landing page or an affiliate link. Let's edit and add this link here. If you don't want to use the call to action button, click here to disable it. Next, editing the footer is just as simple as clicking the three dots and selecting edit or delete the item. For categories, you can remove them from the navigation here. Here we will look into settings. Under SEO settings, this allows you to customize the URLs for the post, categories, and tags. For example, the post setting will appear on the live blog page like this. You can add a domain by going to the account and following the steps here. For details, you can check out this video. Let's change the domain settings to publish under the root domain and blog folder. The logo is recommended to be set by these dimensions. Use this button to choose your image and set your logo. Next, the favicon, which is this icon, is set similar to the logo. Choose your image using this button. You can add your other social media channels using these social links, and they will appear like this. Under comments, you can display Facebook comments here. Click this link for step-by-step instructions on how to enable it. For forms, this is linked to GrooveMail. This drop-down entry is created from GrooveMail. Let's create a quick example now. Once you have the form ready, edit the heading and description on how you want it to appear. In this case, once published, it will look like this. For copyright text, edit it in this section. Moreover, you can monetize your blog by adding Google Ads or other network partner code here. Next, copy and paste your tracking pixel here if you are using paid ads. And for Open Graph, this is how you control how the blog link appears on social media like on Facebook. You can customize items here, such as title, image, and more. These icons are for language setting, Groove Digital Academy, Help Desk, and feedback. And finally, here's the blog. So, if you're beginning a blog and want something simple, start with Groove Blog. That's it for this video. I hope you had some value and insights into using the Groove Blog in the best way possible. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to access more resources related to the topics on this channel, you can visit www.thelifestylefreedom.com. Lastly, how's your Groove blog set up? Let me know by leaving a comment, and see you in the next video. So, stay tuned.